welcome to our channel. Thank you guys for coming back and thank you guys for joining me. And if you're new here, welcome to our channel. This is Fambam NY. Thank you guys for watching. And for today's video, I will be making another beautiful setup. So as you can see, this is an empty wall right now. We'll transform this into a balloon wall backdrop. Alright, so for this project, this is the balloon we'll be using. It comes in a package like this. We'll put the link in the description down below. So for this package, it comes in different sizes. But for today's video, we'll be just using the smaller sizes of balloons, which is 5 inches. So it will be these two colors. Alright, so for this video, this is gonna be a 2 sequence. So for the first sequence, which is this block, we'll be using just this 5 inches balloons. So on the next segment, we'll be using the whole entire balloon. Get the rest of the balloon in the package. So I'll be using 2 package, just the 5 inches balloon for today's. Again, if you want to know where to get this balloon, please check the description down below. Alright, so we start off with our 5 inches gold. So we'll inflate this to 5 inches or 12.70 centimeter using our balloon sizer. And then this 2, just like that. Alright, so we'll inflate the other color. So we'll inflate this to 2.5 or 6.35 centimeter. Just like that. And then you pinch it right here. Twist. Like that, same size. Pinch it here. Turn around, you do the same thing on the other side. Now it becomes quad. You twist this, just like that, and there's your quad. So one balloon turns into quad. So now you grab your balloon, your gold, grab the end, and just tie it here, lasso. And that's all you need, right there. So you make a bunch of this, and we'll stick this to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already made a bunch of this. So we have 2 different colors. We have rose gold on the outside and gold on the inside, like this. Okay. So the total balloons we use here is total of 90 balloons. So what we're gonna do is line them up on the floor. It's easier for me. You can do like that. So before I put this on the wall, I will line them up on the floor. Alright, so I'll be using our balloon glue dots. I'm gonna put glue dots on the side so they'll connect like that. Alright, so we got it all taped up. So now on the wall, I stuck some clear tape on the wall. So we'll put this here. We'll stick it right on the wall. And then I'll add more clear tape. So what I did is just two-sided tape, and then go like this. If you have two-sided tape, it's much better. So just stick this on the wall and on your balloon, just like that. Help support. So basically, you just want this flat on the wall. Alright, and there you go, guys. This is it. This is our balloon wall backdrop, covered with balloons here. So if you want this bigger, if you want the whole wall covered, so you just have to extend the design. You can put alternate color if you want the whole wall covered with this balloon. As I said, this is going to be a two-part. This is going to be a two-segment. So for the next video, we will add this right here, so that will be behind. So that would be a great additional for your background for this arch right here. If you want a simple party, you can put a table in front, you put the cake, and this would be your wall backdrop, balloon wall backdrop. Alright guys, I hope you like this video and learned something from this channel. It's very simple and it's easy to make. You can do this your own for your own party. So once again guys, this is Famba Minoy, and thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video for the second segment or part 2 for this particular video. We will add some more decorations. We'll see you guys later. Bye!